52. In Daniel chapter 7, it's prophesied that Jesus would have a kingdom that does not pass away. But after fasting 40 days in the wilderness, the devil appears to him and says, "Worship me, and I will give you all the kingdoms of the earth." If you're listening to this right now, when you walk in the footsteps of Jesus, you are headed towards the promises that God has for your life. But the devil will always show up and tempt you with a cheap counterfeit of God's promise. If you don't wait on God's timing, you will trade your oil for cheap, temporary pleasure. But when you wait on God's timing, His promises never pass away. Thank you, Group 52. Remember every prophetic word God has given you. Wait on the Lord and have the best week of your life.